Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker, owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Welcome to Lakewood Ranch. We're going to be looking at the Summerville 2. This is going to be a golf deeded lot. Let's go inside and take a look. So this will be 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 45 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. Double entry front door. Opening up. Oh wow. So first thing I notice is nice tile throughout. Here's our main living space right back here. Beautiful kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas cooktop. Let's walk through the kitchen. Dining towards the back. Another view of the main living space. Going out to the pool area. So here's your main outdoor entertaining space. Beautiful pool. And of course a nice hot tub. Turn it back around for you guys, a view of the lake and the golf course behind us, which is nice. Another view of the backyard area going inside. So here is the main living space, and of course here's our kitchen. Off of the living space you do have your owner bedroom. Owner bedroom has a nice king-size bed for size reference, tall ceilings, and a sliding glass door going out to the pool area / backyard. Turn it back around. Going into the owner bath. So owner bath will have double vanities and a walk-in tiled shower. So vanity number 1 and of course vanity number 2. Here is your closet space on one side. And then you have a closet space on the other side. Okay, let's go find the guest bedrooms and then we'll end our tour again near the pool. So again, going back through the living space, kitchen, walking back towards the front. Again, double entry front door. Over to the right of me, we'll have our laundry space. And again, access to your 2-car garage. And then here is our first guest bedroom. This will be towards the side of the property. And this one does have a full ensuite bath. Full walk-in tiled shower and a single vanity. And then across the hall, you have an office and or den. And then you also have another guest bedroom. This guest bedroom will be towards the front of the property. Lots of natural light in here. And then right next door you do have a full guest bath. Okay guys, we're going to end our tour towards the pool area once more. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. Welcome to your brand new golf home. And again, we're in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575, or visit my website, liveplayflorida.com.